Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to create an interactive resume on Notion. So let's get started with the video. So once you're on the home page of the Notion and you have logged in, what you need to do is at the left side, you will see an option of templates over here at the bottom corner. You need to click on this templates. And here you will see a search bar. In the search bar, you can search for resume and then click on search. So here you will get all the templates over here for the resume. You can choose the template whichever you like. For example, I'm going to choose this template over here and then click on that particular template, and here you will see an option of add. You need to click on add and then you can add it either to the private folder or to your workspace. I'm going to add it here in my workspace. So once it has been added, at the left side you can see a new folder has been added in the name of John Smith. You can click on that particular name. And if you want to make any changes over here, you can make it directly in this page. For example, I'm going to change it from here. You can make the changes everywhere. For example, email address, phone number, website. You can make the changes here at the rate gmail.com. Here you can make the change in the address, phone, website. You can edit your objective of the resume over here. You can add all your experiences, education, projects that you have worked on, the skills which you have. You can add it here. You can click on this plus icon and make the changes on the heading, bulleted list if you want to change it. If you want to add any particular code, you can do it from here. There are various things over here. For example, in the projects, you can again click on plus icon. If you want the notes to be made by AI, you can click on AI meeting notes. You can just give just a summary over here. AI will create it over here. So once you have made all the changes over here, what you can do in order to download it, you need to click on three horizontal dots that you will see at upper right corner. You can either copy a link if you want to share the particular link, or you can export it, or you can import it. Basically, you can click on this import and you can import the file according to your need. If you want it in a PDF form, in a Word form, you can choose according to your need and basically import it. So this is how you can create an interactive resume for yourself using Notion. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.